Welcome to our journey through the Milky Way. Today, we'll uncover 5 fascinating facts about our home galaxy that will leave you in awe. Imagine our galaxy, a swirling city of stars, gas and dust, a cosmic metropolis teeming with possibilities. We call it the Milky Way, and it's just one of billions upon billions of galaxies in the observable universe. But within its spiral arms, within its vast stretches of interstellar space, lie stories that boggle the mind, stories that challenge our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. So buckle up, fellow space explorers, as we embark on this cosmic adventure to explore the wonders of the Milky Way. At the heart of our galaxy, a cosmic titan slumbers, a supermassive black hole, a point in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. We call it Sagittarius A*, and it's a monster millions of times more massive than our Sun. Don't worry, though. We're a safe distance away, about 26,000 light-years, but even from afar we can detect its presence, its gravitational pull holding our galaxy together. Every now and then, Sagittarius A* stirs, devouring gas and dust that stray too close, unleashing bursts of energy that ripple across the galaxy. These bursts are a reminder of the immense power that lurks at the center of our galaxy, a power that shapes the destiny of stars and planets, including our own. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? That even in the vastness of space, even in the face of such unimaginable power, we exist. Our galaxy is vast, a swirling disk of stars, gas and dust stretching over 100,000 light-years across. To give you a sense of scale, 1 light-year is the distance light travels in a year, which is about 5.88 trillion miles. Within this vast expanse, there are at least 200 billion stars, each one a sun in its own right, many orbited by their own families of planets. Some of these planets, we believe, could be similar to Earth, with conditions suitable for life. Imagine that, the possibility of other worlds teeming with life out there, somewhere in the vastness of our own galaxy. And yet, as enormous as the Milky Way is, it's just one of trillions of galaxies in the observable universe. The sheer scale of the cosmos is almost impossible to comprehend, isn't it? It's enough to make you feel incredibly small and incredibly insignificant. We often think of space as a static, unchanging void, but the truth is everything is in motion. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is hurtling through space at an incredible speed, about 1.3 million miles per hour. Think about that for a moment. As you sit here, as you go about your day, you're on a planet orbiting a star that is itself racing through the cosmos at an unimaginable speed. And it's not just a straight line. Our solar system is also orbiting the center of the Milky Way, taking about 225 to 250 million years to complete one full revolution. That's what we call a galactic year. And as if that weren't enough, the Milky Way is also being pulled towards a mysterious region of space called the Great Attractor, a gravitational anomaly that exerts a powerful influence on our galaxy and others in our cosmic neighborhood. What is the Great Attractor? We don't know for sure, but it's a tantalizing mystery, isn't it? Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course. Don't worry, it's not happening anytime soon. But in about 4.5 billion years, our galaxy will collide with our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. Andromeda is even larger than the Milky Way, containing perhaps 1 trillion stars. It's currently about 2.5 million light-years away, but it's moving towards us at a speed of about 250,000 miles per hour. When these two galactic titans collide, it will be a cosmic event of unimaginable scale. Stars will be flung out of their orbits, gas clouds will collide, triggering intense bursts of star formation. The two galaxies will eventually merge, forming a single giant elliptical galaxy, sometimes called Milkomeda. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? That even galaxies, these vast islands of stars, are not immune to the forces of gravity and the passage of time. Have you ever wondered why our galaxy is called the Milky Way? If you could travel outside our galaxy and look back, you'd see a band of light stretching across the sky, resembling a spilled stream of milk. That's how it got its name. But the Milky Way is more than just a band of light. It's a barred spiral galaxy, a vast rotating disk of stars, gas and dust, with a central bulge and four major spiral arms. Our solar system is located in one of these arms, the Orion arm, about two-thirds of the way out from the centre. These spiral arms are not static structures. They're like waves moving through the galaxy, compressing gas and dust, triggering the formation of new stars. So the Milky Way is not only vast and beautiful, it's also a dynamic and ever-evolving place. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. We've explored the supermassive black hole at the centre of our galaxy, marvelled at its immense size and constant motion, contemplated its eventual collision with Andromeda, and admired its beautiful spiral shape. The Milky Way is a truly awe-inspiring place, full of wonder and mystery, and the more we learn about it, the more we realise how much more there is to discover. So keep looking up at the stars, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the universe around us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing space facts. Until next time, keep looking up.